First, install the vacuum pump. Connect the power. Then connect the vacuum line. Tightly close the intake and drain valve. Open the machine gate. Turn on the switch. The power on password is 61. This is the main page. This is the freeze drying process. This is a historical trend. This is a real-time trend. Freeze drying operation. First, set up the lyophilization process. This is the total number of segments and can be set according to your process. This is the start section of the vacuum pump, generally set to 2, according to your needs. Then this is the parameter save. Be sure to save. Then you can set the operation. This is an automatic start. First open the automatic. Then turn on the first stage compressor. Then the machine will start running according to the pre-freeze drying process. Then you can go back to the main page. Then be sure to close the door handle. Then this is the layer up and down. Layer lift. This is an emergency stop. Turn it off when it needs to be turned off. This is a drop.